Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an entry to my 2K challenge giveaway. This is from Martha Hamilton, Granny's house. She is so cute. She comes. She has a sign. She's like, "Come on in, sit a spell. Welcome to Granny's house. There's the fridge. Get yourself something to drink." It's so cute. I will have her channel linked in the description box. Please go over and check her out. She's a new subby to mine. I've been watching her videos, and I just want to hug her. But look at her cute envelope. I know she likes flamingos. She's got a flamingo, a flower, and then another flamingo. I'm gonna cut them all out. So let's see. All I did is open it. I didn't even look at anything. Oh, she even got a flamingo in the back. Cute. All right. Oh. So I see this little envelope. We're gonna start here, and then we'll get to this nice pile of stuff. She's got that little cute little flamingo sticker. I think it's a kitty cat in there. So, all right. I gotta get my tablet. I'm not even on the game here. All right. There we go. And I did do a new little giveaway box this morning because the bear is just so big. So this isn't a new giveaway box. Everybody that entered the giveaway is still in there. I just dumped them in there. See? Look at it. Are you the winner? And I got this little globe. And it says friends. Little eyeballs. Like it's watching you. And it's all my mixed media paper I did this morning with bingo dabbers if anybody's interested. So, alright, let's get to Martha, Granny's house. Entry. Okay. Oh, there we go. I got it. Look at that little flamingo. He's like in one of those little swimming tube things. Okay. Put that right there. Oh, look at. She's got a little girl, a heart, little duck suitcase, some bling, heart, and I think it's supposed to be an X, and then some string. Tassel coming down. That's cute. And let's see. Her birthday's July 14th. I'm going to cover this, guys, so you guys can see. Look at, she's got this pretty vintage lady sticker and then some bling. And it says, I love all colors in style. Okay. Her birthday is July 14th. She is from Alabama. Awesome. So we're going to put this down. And I'm going to put her name right away. Good luck to you. Thanks for being one of my newbies. Alright. And like I said, I will have her channel linked in the description box below. And if you don't know Granny, go over and check out Granny's house. Alright, there it is. I'll fold it over. Boom. Ooh, I'm almost to the 20 marker. I know I have a couple coming in. Oops. So maybe I'll get 20. That was my goal. I'll get 20 subscribers. Alright, she's got a pack of goodness sitting here, guys. But look at that, is so cute. Oh, it's a little birthday cake. You know what this little girl reminds me of? The Campbell Soup Girls. Do you remember them? The little people? That's what that reminds me of. I don't know where to begin. There's so much good here, but look at, she likes her flamingos. So we got that, and look at this. I love flamingos. Okay, I'm gonna try to save this, and let's see. The last time I realized I could have opened it on the bottom of somebody's packaging. So I'm gonna see if this is done that way. and it looks like it's not. So I'm going to take my time, try to save what I can from my journal. Woo! So far, so good. Awesome. Oops, and then I stuck it back on the back. There we go. Alright. So far, so good, guys. Yay! It's one piece. That's going to look cute. Look how she's got this blinged out. She's got this little heart. Little doily hearts. And there's a heart underneath the sticker. Oops. Right there. So we're going to stick that to the side because you're going to see that in my future. You guys can see my desk right now. Ooh, look at these flowers. I think she made these. The pretty pearl. I love the color. Can you guys see the different color tones in there? It's like gold fleck in there. Them are so pretty. Ooh, look at these guys. Got the Eiffel Tower. And look at it, it's a gnome door. Ooh, some vintage ladies. Some more vintage gals. And there's some stickers. Says many thanks, happy birthday, all my love. And then send and get well wishes with sympathy. And then there's this crown diamond. I can't read that. Oh, this is a cool one too. Vintage lady. It's her back turn. And then some frames. Oh, that would look cool. One frame. And then it's it's an awesome ephemera. And some scissors. And some flower. It says on there, if you were a flower, I'd pick you. Aw. On your special day. Oh, look at this cute ticket. And then it looks like she has some coffee or tea dyed paper. That's so cool. Love that. I'm gonna have so much fun. And then we have a flamingo, unicorn, and pineapple, and diamond. Little journal. I gotta hide this. My granddaughter see this, she'll take this from me. I'll probably let her have it. I think Allie loves little journals. She's starting to write in a journal because of her anxiety. So look at, she's got a flamingo in his hearts. And more flamingos. Okay, let's see how lucky I'm in on this one. I'm going to add these all to my journal. Get in there. Get in there. Yay! I got it. I actually can snip it so I can have both sides. Got over there. Okay. I don't know where to begin. I don't want to lose her card. I'm going to put her card up on the bag. Okay. Put that stuff there. Another little goodie bag full of goodness. This wasn't necessary, but thank you. I'm enjoying this. Thank you so much. It's like Christmas. I said that earlier. Oh boy. Ooh. Look what I just discovered. I have sequins coming out of the bag. Okay. I'm gonna kind of go like that. I'll get them all out. Okay. I got that one somewhere. I'm not getting it. There we go. I got it. Okay. Now, I got my, oops! Little dish I have here. Oh, there's some pearls in here, or little crystals as well. I'll put them in my sequins. There we go. Boom. See? Salvaged them. Alright. So let's see what we got. Oh, we got some chipboard pieces. That says postal. Oh, we got another bee. I could use that with that bee from my pocket letter swap I got. Oh, there's a sequin. Here's a ticket. Cool. Oh, look at the typewriter. A giant finger. This is cool ephemera. It's chipboard, actually. I like the size. A florage, or not, I don't know what you call it. Oh, look at this gal. Roaring 20s. Oh, a sequin heart. Another sequin. Okay, I lost that one. And a wind, and like it looks like a it looks like a TV photo frame, but it's a frame with the roses. Look at the camera. Ooh, cool, cool, cool. And then we have some tea-dyed paper. Oh. And then little paper. Oh, look at that vintage-looking paper. Writing. Oh, postcard. Awesome. Oh, look at this. It's vellum. I don't have a lot of vellum. I just have to figure out how you put it down. There's more tea-dye paper. Hey, this looks like something I would create as a bundle, guys. Oh, look at small print. Pages. And recipe. Cool. Oh, look at this one. It's like, shape. You could use it for like a tab. Ooh, some more vellum pieces. Them are cool. I don't know if you bought these somewhere or made these. These are so cool. Look at that vellum piece. Oh, look at that. I don't know where you found these, but these are awesome. There's another one of them. A guest check. One of my favorite things to craft with. I don't know why, but I love using guest checks. And then pretty. Oh, look at all that, guys. Pretty floral paper. Another little piece of floral paper. That's cool. And and all the little sequin hearts. And I saved them. Oop. Cool. And then there's this package. Excuse me. She's got this pretty purple, I don't know what you call it. Reminds me of scarf material. Does that make sense? It's really pretty. It's like a yarn. It's got this, it's glittered in there. So pretty. And she got a couple of doilies. Cute. And a paper sack. It says exclusive deals, save up to $30. Burger King. Hey, I never thought of saving them. And then there's something else in here. A lot of art journaling. Ooh, I'm going to have so much fun. And another tea-dyed paper. Ooh, look at her. Oh, look at this. Oh, she did it on a Ritz. I can't remember. Wasn't she an actress in the 20s with Valentino? Oh my God, I can't remember that. I remember him. I don't remember him, but I remember watching his biography. And look at the world map. I love maps. And then some tea-dye paper. This is cool how she did that on that ledger. She looks like that actress from the Roaring 20s that was with Valentino. And I could be wrong, even on Valentino. But for some reason, I got Valentino stuck in my head. Thank you, Granny House. This is awesome. I can't wait. You will see this in my art journal for sure. There we go. Awesome. And all of her little sequins. And you're entered. You are my entry number 18. And I want to thank you again for entering. Go check out her channels. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. Here is her little ATC card. She looks like the Campbell Soup kids. I swear. Oh, can't have that. That wasn't good. Sorry. My glue gun just fell. Hang on. There we go. There we go. Not good. There we go. I'm going to get my little index. This is a temporary thing because I'm going to make one that fits them all better, not so snugged in there. But I wanted to keep them separate from my other ones right now, because I'm going to be showing them all the night of the live. So like I said, please go over and check out Martha Hamilton, Granny's house. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.